Welcome back learners, again in the video module of course e-commerce technology, and in this video module we are going to study the concept of web promotion. So students, in previous video modules we understand the technology and the tools which are specially used to promote your website, to promote your online product using the media of internet. In this video module, we have to understand the process of web promotion and their certain way to promote your products using the media of website and internet. So understanding the web promotion, with the definition of web promotion, website promotion is the continuous process of promoting a website on the web in order to maintain its web visibility and attract more visitors to increase the sale of website products and services. So students, in previous lecture we understand how we can create a website, and in this web promotion definition we understand it is a continuous sequence, or it is a stylish process, it is a quality process to promote the online product and to attract new customer using the media of internet and your website. Web promotion is the means of promoting your site to your prospective clients on the internet. It is nothing but target audience. This is done in various ways, such as getting your site listed in various directories, linking your site from other sites, getting you in the top pages of search engine, and much more. So students, web promotion is nothing but a quality marketing tool where you can rank your website to promote your website on a top of the competitive or a competitor website with the same product of your organization. So by using some advanced method like search engine optimization, digital marketing, directory submission, and third party marketing are specially used to promote your website with the various different platforms. To the next one, website promotion is nothing but a collection of techniques that serve to boost the popularity of a website. So friends, we simply understand web promotion is a very good online marketing tool where you can promote, you can increase the visitors, or you can increase the traffic of your website with your product expectation. So moving with next, there are different ways of promotion and web pages. See, there are n number of web promotion method nowadays trending in market, but accordingly to your syllabus we have to understand some very basic and standard method where you can promote your website to attract your customer. Directory submission is one of the best and old process to promote your website. In that, a web directory is a list of website. Obviously there are n number of website with the same subject we can list it. It is also known as a subject directory. This list create an organized method for finding website. So many of the people with the same criteria, with the same domain of your product come to this website and submit their website to promote or to increase or to analyze the visitors as per their expectation to their website. The next method, which is very popular nowadays in digital marketing, which is called search engine listing, or it is also called as a search engine optimization, where you can increase the different types of keyword with the same domain name of your website, right? A simple way to start getting traffic to your website is by using the search engines. So obviously there are many more methods. Some of the method are in technical mode, which is also free, and some of the method to promote your website on the famous search engine like Google, Yahoo, Bing with the paid mode. So it is called as a search engine listing, where somebody come to a Google and finding their product, and he visit your website at a very first uh, to the result of the particular search engine. It will show on the first rank by using paid or free techniques, which is also called as optimization of your website. So this is the way of promotion to your website. Submit new content to the search engine directories like Google, Yahoo, Bing. So as we already discussed in previous point, so by increasing the content, by increasing your video, images, and the data which are required to promote your website are specially used or optimized in search engine. So to the next point, we have to understand there are n number of medium to promote your website nowadays. The very first media is social media. So it will every students familiar with this social media platform where you can promote your website, your business, and the information about your organization. The best example of social media like Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, these are some platform where you can promote your website in a very simple way. So plugin is another a new word you heard. Plugin is nothing but you can create your own application to connect your website to other website. It includes some of the information like Google application, some tool, some widget which are offered by your website. And the next one is the best word we already discussed in the website promotion is web optimization, which include each and everything regarding the front page of your website up to the end page, which will optimize to a search engine with different method that how many visitors maximally come to your pages with the total number of visitors you understand. So these are some simple method, but in your syllabus there are some important factors which are properly we have to understand in the ways of promotion is target email. Some of the time a short note is coming on this target email topic, that before understanding we have to very familiar with the email process, that everybody nowadays very familiar with the email, electronic mail, right? So what it is, target email, it means you have to target the targeted audience where you have to reach your business in a very proper manner. So it is another very productive method of getting online results or feedback. Obviously somebody, or if you as a user you visit any website, there are some column where you have to update the information or where have to submit your information to get their continuous update about their product and about their price. These are nothing but the procedure of email. And if you submit your name information and your email address, the next update of that website will come into the inbox of your email. Targeting email gets hold of as many email addresses as possible of your targeted audience only. Obviously, many of the business strategies uses that those people who are specially interested to your own business, they have to target in a very simple and proper manner by using email feedback option. The next one is very important that you do not use spamming as a marketing tool, and rather email only to a list of targeted people who have agreed to receive mails on topics related to your site. Obviously, it is a legal point where we have to discuss it, that somebody come to your website. We take an example of any product information about your website, and the visitors who are not agree with your email procedure, or they don't have that much of interest to receive your email, so don't use the spamming tool to send email to that user. It will a bad impact on the customer, and customer will never come to your website again and again. So spamming as a marketing tool nowadays banned by many of the email companies like Gmail, Yahoo Mail, and Reddit Mail, etc. So always use a legal way to target your audience with email procedure. So the next one, search list of addresses. So if you want to purchase a quality email sender or email feedback procedure, you have used a quality website like smail.com, or there are many of the website which are available to purchase a bulk procedure about target email, right? So if you understand this complete concept, you always have to remember that target email is offered by many of the website using newsletter for website. Every standard website having their newsletter option, and user come to their website and fill their information and get updated with the email procedure. So it is all about target email procedure. To the next one, the best procedure nowadays, which is very famous on many of the website, called as a banner exchange. So understanding this concept, we have to very familiar with banner is nothing but the advertisement or the image where we can put up this image on your website, right? So banner exchange, it is a method in which advertisers work together and allow each other to place their banner ads at the other's website. So it's a mutual consent. We take a simple example. If anybody having their own car website and somebody having a website of automobile parts, so they are mutually consent, right? Automobile company owner will reflect the advertisement of car manufacturer, and car manufacturer are reflect the advertisement of automobile manufacturer. So it is a mutual concern which is called as a banner exchange, and many of the customer who are interested is in car as well as automobile have reflect all the banner which are offered by their website. A banner exchange program is a program designed, or it is nothing but a tool to allow marketers to exchange banners in the form of advertisement. Obviously, so we already discussed that it is nothing but an online advertisement where a mutual concern is there. So इसको हम simple language में अगर कहे कि तेरी advertisement मेरे website पे हो और मेरा product का advertisement तेरे website पे हो, it is called banner exchange. Exchange program allows for the possibility for the banner to be displayed on many websites. So obviously, so it's a mutual concern. You can promote your business, or you can give a link of your banner to any website where your product is reliable or correlate to the mutual concern or mutual partner who having their own product website. So these programs helps in the growth of your online revenue and traffic. Obviously, it will specially used every digital marketing process or banner exchange is used to increase the revenue and traffic. So if you agree to display banner for your website or this reason, the more hits means nothing but the visitor which are coming to your website and click again and again, the more banner views you earn on other sites, and hence you will further increase your hits. So by many of the visitors who are again come to your website and click to your banner, it will increase your revenue, traffic, and customer will get engagement to view your banner. So it's all about banner exchange. And last but not the least, the basic and standard way, which are nowadays very famous. This word is new to us, but we familiar with this concept called shopping booths. So what does it mean? Shopping booths are price comparison sites on the world wide web. It is nothing but internet that automatically search the inventory of several different online merchant to find the lowest price for consumer. We take a best example that if you purchase any mobile, right, and you have to know the price procedure and price comparison on two websites like Amazon and Flipkart. You just type a simple statement on Google, the price of Samsung mobile dash dash dash, and you will automatically get the difference with their images and their price. So it is nothing but shopping booths. Very simple and easy topic to understand. So comparison sites. So these are specially used comparison procedure. Shopping booths are wonderful tools. Obviously, finding the cheapest books, computer games, videos, sounds card, and home fitness equipment in cyberspace. So there are n number of product, but we choose some of the famous product. To understand this concept, we take two best examples. Here you can understand the procedure of shopping booths. The very first example is policybazar.com, which is famous website to buy any kind of insurance, and you will get a comparison quote with this shopping booths methodology. It also available in health insurance, automobile insurance. So it will show you the comparison which company is best offering the quality product with minimum price, and customer easily purchase that product by using this method. And second one is cardeko.com. It is again a quality website which will help you to show you the comparison between the car's price with the certain types of tag. So it is all about the concept of shopping booths. In a very simple way, we have to understand the concept of shopping booths, that it is nothing but the comparison websites. This method is specially used to compare the price, product, and the quality of offered products and their manufacturing procedure. So it is all about web promotion. This article is important towards your examination, so be prepared for that. In upcoming video session, we have to continue with the same course element. Thank you.